Okay, today we have the new Sony PlayStation 5 Pro controller straight out of the shipping box from Sony. And this is just the shipping box with the packing label. To the side here. Yeah, and here's what we got. It's got some customizable analog sticks, and on the back it has some back paddle buttons. Also has a case for the controller, as well as some other little doodads. So and we got this PlayStation seal there. Alright, I'll bring out my little tool here. I'll try to get a nice clean cut. Oh yeah, that sounds funny. Let's see if this works. Okay. Oh boy, how do we get this open? Actually, not sure how they do this. No. There we go. All right. Put my tool away. All right, let's take a look what we got inside. Alright, we got this nice side portion here. Interesting. Alright, it's kind of like a little orb like shape. It has a good weight to it. Nothing else in that. Well, maybe there is, actually. We'll go back to that. Wow, so this very kind of overly large cloth. That's pretty big. Oh wow, it's a hard plastic. That's going to get scuffed up real easy. It's like a big egg. Very smooth. Really matches the PlayStation 5 pretty well. So this is $200 new, which is kind of pricey, but I can already say the quality of this case is pretty top notch. Ooh, look at that. Everything's kind of packed in nice and tight there. So let's see what we got on top. Okay, come on. A very long braided USB to USB-C. It's pretty long, probably 15 feet. What is this thing? It's just like a weird protector, I guess. Okay, I can put, I guess, this back in here. Okay, it's pretty snug but compact. Not sure what this does. Probably online manual. All right, in here, let's see what we got. Okay, so has about the same weight as a normal PlayStation 5 controller, maybe a slight bit heavier. Trying to see if this is the PlayStation grip. Hold on. Can't tell if that has the small triangles, and because on the regular one, those look like PlayStation. Yeah, I guess they are PlayStation buttons. So this is hard plastic. But then on the inside here, these two pieces are like kind of rubberized. Hopefully that holds up with time. These feel like the same. And we have the PlayStation symbols right there. There's a glossier look than the one that comes with the console. And we have where the back buttons go with like a release switch. So it is a pretty big upgrade. Alright, in here we have, wow, these are like aluminum. They feel aluminum, yeah, I think so. Back paddles. Analog. Oh no, I guess more back paddle buttons. A lock and unlock feature. These are real snug. This is silicone right here. Okay. I don't know what that is. And then the different nubs for the analog stick. And as you can see, very well formed inside here. And that is the hardware. Let me just make sure. There's probably some paperwork here at the bottom. Okay, nothing too flashy in there, just this very basic, and I'm sure that QR code in there is further information. This is just a very uncolorful guide for the controller. And this video is not going to be a how to use this controller because I still have to figure that out. I'm one of the first people that I know that have it, so I'm going to take some time and do some customization with the buttons and what they do, because I really don't know yet. But I am impressed with the quality of the case and the controller. I mean, it is $200, and that is kind of ridiculous. I think third party controllers are like $150. So this is definitely, you're paying a premium price for Sony's name on here. So, alright, this has been just like a base overview unboxing of the controllers and the contents. And, yeah, stick around for next time.